Silky straight hair can be achieved in just 4 simple steps: shampoo, condition, blow dry, and flat iron. See how it's done with Shedavi hair products. Begin by shampooing your hair twice with Shedavi Crown Moisturizing Shampoo. Next, deep condition your hair with a protein mask and sit under a steamer or a processing cap under a hair dryer for 30 minutes. Next, apply a heat protectant spray of your choice and blow dry the hair. Last but certainly not least, take a few drops of Shedavi elixir and apply to your fingertips. Then massage into your scalp, edges, and the length of your hair. When straightening natural hair, make sure you keep a consistent stroke from the top to the bottom. It's also important to avoid heat damage by doing too many passes with the straightening iron. Once finished with the straightening iron, add luster and shine. Use a couple more drops of Shedavi elixir. Now you have silky, straight, shiny hair with a boost for growth. Be sure to take your vitamins daily so it stimulates growth from the inside out. Shop these amazing products at Shedavi.com.